Saskatchewan is known for its widespread lands and supply of farmland, which continue to go up in value. Agriculture specialist and farmland realtor Ted Cawkwell with the Cawkwell Group joins me with more. Good morning.
Good morning.
And we're looking at generational farming, farm succession planning, and you work with both buyers and sellers of farmland. What do our landowners need to know when it comes to that planning? Maybe you're passing down the family farm.
Yeah, that's a great question. They need a little bit of a runway to do it properly. So they'll want to get in touch with a realtor like ourselves so we can talk to them about values. And then once they have those values, they're going to want to talk to their accountants, potentially a lawyer, depending if they have corporate structure or not, so they can plan long-term how that sale process is going to go.
Okay, so first, try to understand the value of their land and then
Correct.
Go from there?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, and also Saskatchewan farmers are worried following the changes to the capital gains tax that was announced by the federal government. So if someone is planning for retirement, handing down property to family, how does this capital gains impact that planning? What are you seeing right now?
Yeah, well, it has a negative impact on retirement and succession planning. So if you're a farmer that's thinking of retiring and you've been planning, maybe 40, 50 years to get to this point, you're not going to have as much left over now to retire on and live on because, the federal government's taking a lot bigger piece of the pie through taxation. And if you're looking at succession planning to the next generation, it's tough to do that too, because now either the parents are going to end up with less money or the kids are going to have to pay more money for the land so the parents can have enough money to retire. So it's really making it difficult, and it's keeping, a few younger people out of farming that could have been in it. So it's having a negative impact, but it's here now, so we just need to live with it.
Okay, so which goes into in your sales and working with farm families. Are you seeing generational farming continue in Saskatchewan with the passing down of the family farm?
I think it's reasonably common. It's more common, I think, in agriculture than in other businesses, but it's not for everyone. Some kids want to be school teachers or doctors or firefighters, and some want to be farmers. So it's reasonably common, but it's certainly not the case in every situation.
Okay. Is there anything else you'd like to add in, Ted, about understanding that capital gains tax and value of farmland and our property in the province?
We can help with everything value related. So when someone's ready to sell, give us a call. We can explain the marketplace to them, show them the value of their property and why it's worth what it is. And then I think that's a really good first step for them. We also work very closely with farmland lawyers, farmland accountants, so anything else they need, we can be the one-stop shop for them so they don't have to go in a million different directions.
Okay, all about farm succession planning with the experts, Ted Cawkwell and the Cawkwell Group. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.